Hello, welcome to Android Dependency Bootcamp. In this course, you are going to learn about top Android dependencies like OkHttp, retrofit, gson, OTTO, RxJava2, glite, butterknife, realm, dagger2, and you will get chance to learn these dependency with MVVM design pattern that will change your way of app development. After enrolling and watching the whole course, you will be able to develop fast, reliable, and bug-free apps that will bring money and client satisfaction. My name is Zia, and I am the founder of the Apps Firm. In this course, you are going to learn easy way of app development. After enrolling and doing the lab work in this course, you will be a rockstar developer in Android community. Last thing, I have an open offer for my students who enroll in this course. Any of my students can request particular dependency include in this course. I will create a special video for you to understand that library. So click on enroll and let's begin.